Hello everyone, this is Tanisha and today I am here to share something about how to follow your passion and how to chase your dreams. Nowadays we are facing something really pathetic in life, and that is difficulty in utilizing the potential. We all are aware of the two terms called potential and capability. हम सबके अंदर कोई ना कोई टैलेंट, कोई ना कोई स्किल जरूर होती है. But the question that comes in mind is, why we fail in lives? What stops us from becoming successful? It's a concerned question. It's a $1 million question not answerable till now. We sacrifice our dreams, we sacrifice our goals, we sacrifice our careers just because of the tags that society put on us. Go for MBA, your friend is also doing. Go for engineering, your neighbor is also doing. But do we ever ask ourselves what we are doing? What are our desires and choices of life? And that's the biggest reason we fail. We fail, we regret, and then we struggle. I give you an example. My parents once told me that Tanisha, go for bank PO. Government job hai, safe hai, secured hai, and you will be living a happy life. I asked them a question. You give me a guarantee that my career will be secure. You give me a guarantee that my future will be secure. But how much guarantee you give me that my happiness and my satisfaction will be secure? Because I never wanted to be a bank PO. What I wanted was my being space. कि मुझे क्या करना है? Because being space is equal to happiness plus satisfaction. When you work according to your being space, you are happy. And when you are happy, you are satisfied. Life is the most difficult exam. And maximum of us fail this exam because we keep on copying others without realizing that everyone has got a different question paper. There are many who did their graduation at 21 but still not happy till 29. There are many who did their engineering at 23 but still not happy till 39. Remember, ignoring your passion is a slow suicide. Never ignore what your heart pumps for. Mold the career around your lifestyle and not the lifestyle around your career. If your friend is doing engineering, ask yourself, is that where I want to be? If he is doing MBA, ask yourself, is that where I want to be? And if not, then follow the path where you want to be. Follow your heart, follow your passion, follow where that natural momentum comes to you. Because one person will say, you are good at this. Second will say, you are no good. Third will say, you could have done better. Whose opinion will you accept and live? Do not let people stain your image with the shades of perceptions about themselves. Use the color of your virtues to create the image of yourself. अपनी इमेज लोगों के परसेप्शंस के अकॉर्डिंग कभी मत बनाना. अपने लाइफ के कलर्स खुद चुनना सीखिए. And that's why I say, you are the hero of your dreams, not a villain of a society. You are the master of your goals, not a slave of a society. Think about it. Choices yours. Thank you.